present times serve as a reminder that the past is not meant to last. It is as if memories live under a timer, seconds away from being crashed. So we seek out these old legacies, the artistic craft in its forgotten forms, for there are those who know there is no obsolete when it comes to the tools that help carve the current road. So let us praise the ingenuity of those old times we deem obsolete, for every instrument we hold and every note that touched the soul was once to man a mystery. Let time indeed be a reminder that nothing was born big, that in order to stand in the future that we're so proud of, it all came down to mud and sticks. So let us cherish that old wisdom that brought us to our current form, for in this marathon of progress, we lost old secrets we'll never know. And as we keep borrowing inspiration from the brave hand that drew the first sketch, its name may be forgotten, but its essence still transcends. And when you bring home that something new with the scars of its old soul, be content, feel as though you're divine, for you managed to purchase a piece of the very fabric of time. Pretend as though time has frozen in the small corner where it's displayed, while it tries to find its footing on the opportunity of existing another day. Admire its details, the gentle scratches on its surface, the engraved name somewhere hidden, the thought process behind its purpose. Remember that the form in which it came to be slowly became a forgotten art, and that the hands that carved its majesty rest from us a world apart. Reflect on those who previously owned it, and all the stories they could tell, the secret meetings that they witnessed, the happy greetings and sad farewells. Indeed, the progress of the future is dependent of its past, so it feels more than just a duty to protect it while it lasts. But the hands that carve such beauty have a curse up their sleeves, for it's known that man will destroy with their bare hands everything they achieve. And though we try to not be bounded to the destructive ghost of memories past, our good intentions are confounded, for present times serve as a reminder that the past, it's not meant to last.